was a very emotional event for me, before the race, during the race, after the race, and like I said, I'm just very humbled to be here representing my country and to win gold medal. I was pretty nervous before the race. Honestly, the crowd before the race was unbelievable. It felt like I was at a football stadium. So that's a big credit to the Hungarian supporters, and you know, I just wanted to take it out strong and to hold the third 50 and hopefully hang on at the end. I knew Laszlo was going to be coming back at me, so very thankful and lucky to get my hand on the wall first. And can I just say one more thing? With my new coach, Andrea Danino, I just want to say a big thank you to him. It's only been 6 months and we've done a lot of great things together. So big thank you to him and my dad, my mama here, and my brother. So thank you very much. We'll be back.
Thank you, Bruce, for attending.
Stop crying.